In this video, I will show you exactly how to create the effect you just saw for free using AI. So first, head over to this page called Hicksfield AI, and you will find a direct link to this particular page here. And this is a free tool, so all you need to do here is click Generate. Then the tool asks you to sign up, and after you have signed up, you can create this Earth zoom out effect. So as the first step, here is the video I want to do this effect with. So the first thing I need to do is I need to take a screenshot of the first frame of this video, like this. Then just drag and drop the first frame screenshot into the view over here. And by the way, this is a bit confusing, but you do not need to create a prompt here. Just hit generate. And as you do this, the AI starts to create your video. And by the way, it says that the waiting time is 45 minutes, but I can tell you that it is much faster. So for example, for me, it only took like 2 or 3 minutes. And there we go. So here's what the effect looks like right now. Isn't that cool? And next, let's download this clip. And now I will bring up a video editor with which I can do some tricks to make it zoom it in. So first of all, let's drag and drop the AI generated clip over here. And now this next step is obviously entirely dependent on which software you use. But what you want to do here is you want to reverse this clip. So instead of it zooming out, we want it to zoom in like this. So I will select this clip and I will go to the speed settings and I will hit reverse. And now the clip has been reversed, so if I play it, it will zoom it in nicely like this. And now as the last thing, I will drag and drop the original video clip into the view so that it will then continue the video. So let's see what it looks like. But now there's one more problem we have to fix somehow, and it is the fact that it looks a bit strange at this stage, because here it clearly looks like AI, and then all of a sudden in the next frame it looks entirely different. One thing that pops up into my mind is that we can just speed up this zoom in effect. So instead of it being like 1x, let's do something like, for example, 4x. So let's see what it looks like right now. That's a lot better, isn't it? And also what you can do is you can take a clip where you're standing still or being a bit further away from the camera. So obviously this, what I just showed you here, is not ready to be used. It's just for demonstration.